Hi everyone, so we'll work on how to create a Google slide. What you want to do first is make sure that you're logged into your Google email. Once you know that you're for sure signed in, go ahead and click Menu and Drive. Next, you'll click on the New button here. Then you click on Google Slides. And the first thing you want to do is put a title for your presentation. For today, I'll just put Practice. Next, you want to give a title to your actual slides. Let's just put title for now, and then you can do a subtitle, or you can also put just your name. You can also change the style and font size of your font. You can change the font style here, the size here. The same can be applied to your name. And you can change other styles. I'm just going to undo this because I messed up there. By clicking on this three periods here, you'll go to the More option. You give her more things to do with your font. You can make it bold, italic, underline, change the color. The same can be done to your name. And also you can align it, different areas of your slide. And you'll notice that you can also change the themes or the colors of your slide presentation. In order to do that, you just go on the right hand side here, and it's themes, and you just click on one that you like, and that'll look good. The next thing that I can do is add an additional slide. In order to do that, you just click on this plus sign. This setup is the general setup of a slide. I'll show you how to choose different setups of a slide in just one moment. So what I just did is just create a title for my slide. And then here you can provide your information. You can either do a list through this bullet points here, and then if you click enter, you're able to also provide other bullet points. In order to no longer have those bullet points, just select it again, it'll go away, and then you can do numbers as well. And then it'll keep going and you'll see other numbers. Another thing you can do is also insert a picture. You could insert it through here by searching, and you scroll over insert, you scroll over image, and you're either able to upload from your computer, search it on Google, bring up a picture from your Google Drive, your Google Photos, or through a URL search, which is URL is this here. Or you could use a camera used on your computer. For now, let's just search on the web. And I'm just going to search dog because I like dogs. You type it and you click enter, and then you can select this picture here. And once you have a picture selected, you can click insert, and it should come up on your screen. You see that it's too big. I'm only able to change the size of the picture if this is highlighted and these boxes show up. So I need to drag it down and it will make it smaller. In order to move my picture, I just click select, and you're able to move your picture around the slide. The red lines are for it to be centered with the information. You see, this is kind of off center. The red lines are guides for you to be able to make your information centered. Another cool thing that you'll notice is that this arrow here, once you have a new slide, You can change the style of that slide by just clicking on different styles here. Whatever will fit with your information is what you should select. I have an extra slide here, number 3. You'll notice that. If you ever just don't need a slide, you did one by mistake, you can right click and just delete slide. Right here this slide would be a good one just to use if you have a 2 response for one question. If you just want to put the title and then make a list here or by numbers and then here bullet points, you could do so, or you can just delete that and then put a picture in here. It's all a matter of experimenting and just taking the time to see what you have in order to make your presentation look good. So that's it for today. Thank you.